Hi everyone, this is Venkatesh Pandam, your physics dude. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how the equations of motion can be derived from or by graphical method. We all know that the equations of motion are V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and V square minus U square equal to 2AS. All those equations can be derived by using the graph. Let me explain in this video how to derive those three equations by, already I explained them by general method, now we'll see by a graphical method. For that, what I'll do is, let us consider a body moving along a straight line. It is moving with initial velocity u. After some time, velocity is v. Let t be the time after that, final velocity is v, and s is the displacement covered. And remember, the body is moving with uniform acceleration. For this situation, let me draw the shape of VT graph. As I said, the body is having some initial velocity. Let's take, it is starting from this point. It has some initial velocity. Remember, this is velocity versus time graph. Since it is moving with uniform acceleration, it is a straight line. And let us take, after some time, t second, let's take the v is the final velocity. This is actually the shape of VT graph. So velocity time graph for the situation will be, this is time, will be shown like this. Yes, for our derivation part, I'll consider this as O, this point as some A, this as B, this C, and this as D. And this is the angle theta. Since this is U and this is V, remember U means from O to this is U. That means OA is equal to U. Then this DB, if you look at from B to D or DB, or we can say BD is equal to U. From the beginning to this value we call it as D. Then what is BC? BC is nothing but BD minus CD. OA is nothing but CD, which is U. So this I can write V minus U. Yeah, this you should understand. Let us derive the first one. V is equal to U plus AT from the graph. So from graph, what is tan theta? Tan theta is BC upon AC. But just now I said BC nothing but, so tan theta is, what is BC? BD minus CD by AC. BD minus, right. So what is BD minus AC? I said V minus U. This is V minus U upon, what is this A to C? A to C nothing but the time. So what does the slope of VT graph gives? In the last lecture I said slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Therefore, tan theta is equal to A. So if we substitute that, I'll get A is equal to V minus U by T. Therefore, V minus U is equal to AT. Ultimately, V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. This is the expression for the final velocity or the velocity of the body after t seconds. Now let's see the second one, how we can derive this second one. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Again, we use the property of this velocity time graph. It's a velocity time graph. So we know that if you take the area of this graph will give you displacement. We have learned this point in the last lecture. So I use that area of VT graph gives displacement. So S is equal to area of, there are two things here. I'll take ABC is a triangle, OACD is a rectangle. So I'll write it as area of triangle. The triangle is ABC. Triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OA. What is that rectangle? OACD. Yes. Let's take the area of OA and CD. Right. If you simplify that, now this I can write S is equal to half into, what is the base of the triangle? Base of the triangle AC height is BC. So AC into BC plus what is the area of the rectangle? OA into OD. OA into OD plus OA into OD. Now let us write down. This is nothing but half. AC is nothing but, let us see again. Since I know that acceleration, I'll write one more point here. Tan theta is equal to BC by AC, and I know tan theta is nothing but A. So A is equal to BC by AC. So from this, what is BC? BC is equal to A into AC. But what is AC? Time. So the BC value become 80. So this I can write as, since there is a BC, AC I said time, so T into BC is 80 plus, again what is OA? OA nothing but U. What is OD? OD from the figure is again T. This is T. So S is equal to, this is half AT square plus UT. So ultimately we got S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This we have derived from fact that area of displacement time graph, velocity time graph gives displacement. Now let me prove the third equation, that is V square minus U square is equal to S. Again I use the same logic. Whether you take a triangle and rectangle, or simply we can take a trapezium. What is this trapezium? OABD. Area of the trapezium also nothing but displacement only. So I use that. So S is equal to area of trapezium OABD. Yes. OABD. So what is the area of trapezium? S is equal to sum of the parallel sides by distance between the parallel sides. So half. What are the two parallel sides here? One is OA, another one is BD. And what is the height? AC. So we write OA plus BD. OA plus BD into AC. OA plus BD into AC. Yes. But we know that AC, again we know tan theta. What is tan theta? I got tan theta is BC by AC. So A is BC by AC. So from this, I can write AC again as BC by A. I'll write that. So therefore, if I take this one, half OA plus BD into, what is that AC? I said AC nothing but BC by A. So let us write as BC by A. Okay. Now, what is OA plus BD? Let us understand. OA plus BD, or I can take OA is same as CD plus BC. CD plus BC. In the place of OA, I can write CD also. So half CD plus BD into BC by A. So if you look at the graph, CD represents U and BD represents V. So this becomes half times CDU plus BD is V. And I already proved that BC is nothing but, yes, I proved it as BC is nothing but, from this also we can write, look at here. BC is equal to what? V minus U. BC is nothing but, already we have written, BC is V minus U. So in the place of BC I can write V minus U. So this is V minus U by A. So therefore this I can write S is equal to half into V square minus U square by A. You just cross multiply. So 2AS is equal to V square minus U square, or simply V square minus U square is equal to 2S. So like this we can derive the three equations of motion from the graph. This is VT graph. So this is how we can derive the equations of motion by graphical method. Simply we calculated slope. From slope we got this equation for velocity is equal to U plus AT. Then I use this area of VT graph we learned in the last lecture. Area of VT graph gives displacement. I use this. Again from the same area only I calculated the third equation. So in this way we can derive the three equations of motion by VT graph. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And thank you once again. Don't forget to leave comments below the videos. Happy physics learning. Thank you once again.